Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the gel filtration chromatography. Gel filtration chromatography is a form of the partition chromatography used to separate molecules of different molecular size. This technique has been frequently been referred to the various other names like gel permeation, gel exclusion, size exclusion, and molecular sieve chromatography. Now discuss about the principle. Molecules are between mobile phase and the stationary phase as a function of their relative sizes. The stationary phase is the matrix of the porous polymer which have pores of the specific size. When the sample is injected with the mobile phase, the mobile occupies the pores of the stationary phase. If the size of the molecule is appropriate enough to enter the pores, they remain in the pores partially or the whole. However, molecules with the larger size or the retained from the entering the pores, causing them be moved with the mobile phases out of the column. If the mobile phase used in an organic solvent, it is termed as a gel permeation chromatography. The steps are for the gel permeation chromatography. The column is filled with the semi-permeable porous polymer gel beads with the well-defined range of the pore size. The samples mixed with the mobile phase in the time, then injected into the column from the top of the column. The molecules bound of the column are separated by the elution solution, and the elution conditions can be selected which will be complement to their requirement molecule interests. Uses. One of the principal advantage of the gel filtration chromatography is the separation can be performed under condition specificity designed to maintain stability, activity, molecular interest without compromising resolutions. And the gel filtration chromatography have been used to separate various kind of nucleic acid like DNA, RNA, tRNA, as well their constitute bases adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Application of gel filtrations are gel filtration play a key role in the purification of the enzyme like polysaccharide, nucleic acid, proteins, biological macromolecules. Gel filtration can also be used to facilitate the refolding of the denatured proteins by careful control of the changing buffer condition. It is used in the protein fragmentations experiment. Gel filtration techniques is also used in the molecular weight determinations and the separation of the sugar protein peptides, rubbers, and the other on the basis of their sizes can be used to determine quaternary structure of the purified proteins. And advantages are gel filtration is the reverse technique that is well suited to handling biomolecules that is the sensitive to change in the pH. And it is significant advantage of the gel filtration is the condition can be varied to the suit type of the samples or the required for the further purification and analysis or the storage or without altering the separation. And it is the exchange, unlike if ion exchange affinity chromatography, molecules do not bind to the chromatography medium, so buffer compositions does not directly affect resolutions. It has thick short analysis time, well defined separation, narrow band, and good sensitivity. There is no sample loss and the small amount of mobile size required. So this is all about the gel filtration chromatography. Thank you.